The topic is criminal. Criminal is one of the most increasing day by day because there are a lot of robbery murderers in India are in India because in COVID-19 pandemic there was a lot of people whose job has gone and they are doing now crime, killing others and rob their money, and this is not fair for good peoples because they earn money in truth manner, but other peoples are cheating take their money. But it is not fair because they have also do struggle and take their money. Criminals are all in the world. The most criminals can be reduced if jobs are creating day by day. If job will increase, the job will increase in India, the crimes will be truly reduced down in India. uh, Job will if job will increase, then crime rate will decrease. We all know that murders are increasing day by day because of jealousness, money and all of things that person not have they rob from their relatives or kill their own brothers or wife or son or daughter or father mother, kill their own relatives because of money, or because money is a life. Without money we can't live in this world because we do not have free something free in the world. All all is all is money because in if money is not there, if money is not there, then we cannot buy one food for ourselves. One chapati bhaji is also important for that poor people's. They are spending too much time. They their whole life will destroy because of they have no food and they will die without food and no one will care about that. That's why crimes are increasing. Robbery is one of the most increasing crime in India because people, those who are planning, 4 5 people plan the situation and done the crime in a house or bank. We all know that in 4 5 years ago that one SBI bank has SBI bank robbed, many people has robbed SBI bank in 2015. This case has been very bad situation because all money of all people has gone, and there is a lot of things has gone of people. There is jewelry or gold or silvers or money or cash in locker they had robbed and they enjoy, but their mastermind of robbery has uh, has gone to the other place. That's why he is not in hand of Mumbai police. That's why it is happening. The second most increasing crime is murder because of jealousness. We all know that we are living in a living in a that word which is full of crime. Crime is happening in the house, crime is happening in society because of crime is everywhere. We cannot say that he is our truthful person. Anyone can do crime. If we cannot believe other people's. only we can believe that police will help us, but police will also police is also corrupted because the political leaders have by them, and political leaders doing such of corruption, getting vote and destroy many people's life because they know they have power and money, they can win the case and they can also win because they have money and power, because and there is army doing uh, reducing criminals because they have power to protect the country, and security of India is in only army, not police. Police is only police is the security of people. Thank you, sir.